This is a video sample with the Motorola Edge Plus 2022 in 8K, 30 frames per second. Let's try a little bit of zoom. This is 10 times. This is 2 times. Maybe try a little bit of locking so we can test the stabilization. Maybe a bit of running. And I think we're done. This is a video sample with the Motorola Edge Plus 2022 in 4K 30 frames per second. For some reason this phone cannot shoot in 60 frames per second in 4K, only in Full HD, even though I believe it's fully capable of. I don't know why that is. This is 4 times zoom. Let's test out the stabilization, do a bit of walking, a bit of running too. And I think we're done. This is a sample video with the Motorola Edge Plus 2022 during the night in 8K 30 frames per second, I believe. It's doing, I think, okay in terms of stabilization for 8K recording. Maybe let's walk a little bit. Okay, try to zoom in. This is 4 times. Zoom out. And I think we're done. This is a sample video with the Motorola Edge Plus 2022 in 4K 30 frames per second during the night. As you can see, the stabilization is pretty okay in 4K. You'll see if it stays the same in 8K. Unfortunately, this phone cannot shoot in 4K 60 frames per second for some reason, even though it for sure has the processing power for that and the means to do it. And I think we're done.